Forget everything you thought you knew about fast food because Marrakech is about to rewrite your entire rulebook. We're diving deep into the pulsating heart of Morocco, where every corner of the ancient souks bursts with unbelievable flavors, dazzling spices, and energy that will electrify your senses. This isn't just eating, it's an immersive, vibrant conversation with a culture that has perfected the art of street food. Get ready to ditch your comfort zone and unlock a world of authentic eats that will challenge your palate and fuel your wanderlust. Your ultimate Moroccan food adventure starts right now. Step into the souks, and you're not just walking through a market, you're entering a living, breathing symphony of culture. The air hums with the chatter of vendors, the clang of artisan hammers, and an intoxicating blend of mint, leather, and exotic spices. This labyrinth of stalls is where generations have traded, innovated, and shared their craft. It's a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, a place where ancient traditions are celebrated daily. Embrace the chaos, let your curiosity lead, and you'll find stories woven into every scent in sight, inspiring you to connect with history in a truly unique way. Alright, let's talk about the undisputed king of Moroccan cuisine, the tagine. Don't let its humble clay pot fool you, inside, a flavor revolution is simmering. This isn't just a dish, it's a slow-cooked masterpiece, a symbol of patience and communal dining. Every family, every vendor, pours their heart into their unique version, perfecting recipes passed down for centuries. Trying a tagine isn't just eating, it's participating in a timeless ritual, a delicious reminder that the best things in life often require a little time and a lot of love. What culinary traditions will you start in your own life? Next up, prepare to meet msemen, the Moroccan flatbread that's about to steal your heart. Picture this: crispy, flaky layers outside, soft and chewy inside, a true masterclass in texture. It's wildly versatile, equally delicious with honey for breakfast or filled with savory goodness for a quick bite. Crafting msemen is an art, a dance of hands expertly stretching and folding dough, preserving a tradition with every flip on the hot griddle. Discovering such simple yet profound flavors challenges you to appreciate the beauty in everyday ingredients and the hands that transform them. Your journey to culinary appreciation just got a new benchmark. Think you know comfort food? Think again. Because harira is about to redefine what a soup can be. This isn't just a bowl of warmth, it's liquid gold, packed with lentils, chickpeas, and a symphony of spices. Traditionally served to break the fast during Ramadan, it embodies sustenance, family, and tradition. Each spoonful tells a story of community and resilience, offering a taste of home no matter where you are. It's a powerful reminder that simple ingredients, combined with intention, can create something truly profound. Let harira inspire you to find comfort and connection in unexpected places. Now, let's talk about the primal allure of fire and flavor. The smoky sizzle of grilled meats fills the air, drawing you in with irresistible aromas. From succulent brochettes to perfectly spiced kefta, Marrakech's grill masters turn simple ingredients into street-side spectacles. Watching them work with precision and passion is a masterclass in dedication, transforming humble cuts into culinary triumphs. It's an invitation to shed your inhibitions, embrace the raw energy, and truly savor food cooked with open flame. What boundaries will you push when you next cook or dine out? The real magic often hides off the main path. Dare to venture down a narrow alleyway, past the glittering tourist traps, and you might just stumble upon a hidden gem, a family-run stall where recipes have been perfected over generations. These are the places that truly preserve Morocco's culinary soul, offering flavors untainted by commercialism. Discovering these spots isn't just about finding delicious food, it's about uncovering authentic stories and supporting the dedicated locals who pour their lives into their craft. Trust your instincts, embrace the unknown, and you'll unlock experiences most tourists only dream of. Walk through the souks and you'll realize spices aren't just ingredients here, they're the very heartbeat of Moroccan cuisine. Mountains of vibrant turmeric, paprika, and ginger rise like ancient pyramids, each emitting an aroma that tells a story of trade routes and exotic lands. These aren't just powders, they are the alchemists of flavor, transforming simple dishes into unforgettable feasts. Engaging with this spice culture challenges you to be more daring in your own kitchen, inspiring you to experiment and infuse your meals with a depth that only true spices can provide. What new flavor combinations will you discover? After all that exploration, it's time for a pause, a moment of pure Moroccan hospitality, mint tea. This isn't just a drink, it's a ritual, a profound gesture of welcome and friendship. The intricate pouring from a height, the 3 glasses offered, each element speaks volumes about generosity and connection. It's a chance to slow down, reflect, and genuinely connect with the people around you. This simple act teaches us the power of presence and how shared moments build bridges between cultures. Let this tradition inspire you to extend kindness and open your heart, wherever you go. Every incredible journey deserves a sweet ending, right? And Moroccan street sweets are here to deliver. From honey-soaked chabakia to delicate Kab el Ghazal, these pastries are miniature works of art, bursting with unique flavors and textures. They're not just desserts, they're celebrations of tradition, often prepared with painstaking detail by skilled hands. Indulging in these treats is a testament to the endless creativity of a culture that finds joy in every bite. Let these sweet moments remind you to savor the small victories and find beauty in the intricate details of life. You've earned this sugar rush. This isn't just a trip about food, it's about connecting with the very soul of a place through its most primal expression. Every tagine, every msemen, every cup of tea tells a story of heritage, resilience, and community. Moroccan street food shows us that culture is a living, evolving entity, preserved and celebrated by passionate people. By stepping outside your culinary comfort zone, you've not only tasted new flavors but also opened your mind to new perspectives. This journey proves that engaging with diverse cultures enriches your own life, empowering you to see the world, and yourself, with fresh eyes. What new traditions will you seek out? So, you've tasted the vibrant heart of Marrakech with us, immersing yourself in flavors that tell centuries-old tales. But the journey doesn't end here. This experience is a launchpad for your own adventures, a challenge to seek out the authentic, the unexpected, the truly local in every destination. Embrace the unknown, trust your adventurous spirit, and let your palate guide you to new horizons. The world is bursting with stories waiting to be savored. Where will your next culinary quest take you? Go forth, explore, and let every meal be a step towards a bolder, more delicious life.